Hey, happy Wednesday, 7th graders. Thank you for your work on the Haiti earthquake stuff, the great research and the paragraph that you wrote. Good job on that. We are going to stick with physical geography here, and we're going to focus on the rainforests of Central America. I asked you to have your book open to page 146 and 147. If you don't, hit pause and go grab your book. All right. Look at page 146. You will see a map of Central America there, and everything in green is a rainforest. So you will see a high percentage of Central America is rainforest. That's an important ecosystem for them. And since we are not super familiar with rainforests in our neck of the woods, I wanted to show you just a few pictures of a rainforest in Costa Rica. It's a beautiful waterfall there. I just feel like these pictures just show the lushness of rainforest, the variety of plants that you see there. I just think it's just such a great reflection of God's diversity, His creativity, and His creation. So what I'd like you to do for today, I'm going to launch your assignment here out of Classroom. You are going to read page 146 and 147, and I'm going to ask you to read it out loud. And as you read it out loud, record yourself reading it. If you're in first period, record it here. If you're in fifth period, record it here. Now, no one is going to see these recordings but me. Okay, these are not going to get posted anywhere. I'm just having you record yourself reading so that you get practice reading aloud in this time when we're apart. And I want to make sure that you actually read the text. So you might want to go to your bedroom and shut the door and find a quiet place to read that aloud. After you are done reading aloud, I just want you to answer these 7 questions about what you read. And that is all you have to do for me for today. My email, my cell number, and my Google Meet code is in Classroom. So if you have any questions, make sure you contact me. I'm proud of you. Have fun reading about the rainforests. Have a great day, Chargers.